Hello guys, welcome to another series of 2JZ Tuesday. My name is Michael Chung and today I'm going to show you guys about the compression test on my 2JZ engine, and I hope you guys can learn something from this too. So first I've already hooked up the starter motor, okay, the flywheel, okay, and then I've already hooked up the battery, okay. So positive, I just connect to the big bolt over here, and then negative just to the ground, and one more I just add a switch. I cannot find a switch anyway, so I just use a horn switch. So when I press this button, the electricity will flow to the on-off switch so that it can push the solenoid, and then it will connect the positive and negative together for the starter motor. So it will start the engine. Okay, I'm going to press this horn switch and I'm going to start the engine. So let's go through the compression test. Alright guys, so the compression tester is very important. Over here we have this compression tester, because when we are turning this, maybe some of the air might leak. So I'm not going to turn this part, I'm just going to turn this hose part so that I can tighten up at the spark plug hole. Alright, I've already installed to the first cylinder, and then let's see what's the compression. Oh. I'm going to write it down. Okay, let go of the pressure. So what does this compression test do is to check whether there is any leakage of air, okay, from the valves, from the cylinder head, or from the piston rings. Okay, see whether all of them are the same or not. Alright, so I've already installed for the second one. I'm going to start. I'm going to let it to run 6 times. So I'm going to check the pressure here and I'm going to record it down. Okay, the second one is slightly a bit higher. It's 130 psi. We'll go the pressure. When you have noticed some kind of compression leak, there are a few scenarios. Alright, so if it is the adjacent cylinders, for example the first one and the second one, both of them are lower than the rest, that means the gasket between the first one and second one is leaking, or the cylinder head between these two are cracked, they are leaking. Okay, let's try the third one first. I'm going to tell you guys the next few scenarios. If there is only one cylinder is having lower pressure than the rest, that may means that air is escaping from the piston rings or the valves. If it is only one cylinder is leaking, you can try to put some engine oil into that cylinder and try to do a compression test again. If the compression test becomes normal, that means the engine oil managed to block it. So where does it? So where does the air leak through? Is go through the piston rings. That means we know the problem. Then the last one is 6 one. Okay, but if you have added engine oil, but if the compression is still lower than the rest, that means the valves are not heavy grind properly, or the valve clearance, or the valve hairspan. I think mostly is from the valves. So I have to open up the whole cylinder head and double check it. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to apologize because I've already done this video, but I failed to upload it to YouTube and I did not notice it. I'm going to upload to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Comment below if you guys got some sort of this kind of funky modification that you have done to your engine, and let us have a laugh too. So see you guys in the next series. See you! Okay guys, press the like button if you guys like this video, and share with your friends if you think this video will benefit them. Subscribe for more videos, and I will share more insights of 2JZ engine building. See you!